Hi, it's me here from iStorm, and today I wanted to ask you if you have a plan for how your business is going to be more visible online in 2019. Well, I have a plan and I'm actually going to share that with you in the next upcoming video on this channel. But I'm always curious about how other people do it, so I've gone to a few really savvy businesswomen I know and I've asked what they are thinking about doing next year. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be rolling out some videos that they have shared with me about what they are implementing for their company to be more visible online. So what we need to do is to look at 2018, which was actually a brilliant year, but we all have our ups and downs and bumps. So what we need to do is to look at the good things and what worked for us and take that into the next year and turn it up a notch, and also have a little bit of fun and try out new platforms or new formats to see what could work for us to grow our business, to engage our audience, and to keep our community active and involved. So if you have tips or advice or want to share what you're doing in 2019, please put a comment in the box below. iStorm is all about supporting each other because there's nothing better than knowing that you've inspired someone and helped someone else. So if you want to see these videos, the best way is really to subscribe to the iStorm channel. Then you'll get a little ping when a new video is available, and it's a brand new channel, so I'd be delighted if you wanted to subscribe to this channel. So next video up is me telling you what I'm planning to do in 2019 for my business to get more visible online. So I'll see you then. Until then, have a great time. Bye for now.